Hi, I'm Austin Goa,
Very nice to
DMD.
meet you. Very nice to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is Ken.
Okay, Mr. Ken. What seems to be the problem?
My tooth hurts every time I drink hot and cold beverages.
Okay. Hurts. And how long has it been going?
For about 3 weeks
Going on
going on.
for 3 weeks. So, so every time you drink hot or cold beverages, the it takes
It's very painful.
it's very painful.
It gives me headaches.
I see. So, tell me about your past medication. Have you been taking any medication, or have you undergone any surgery for the past 1 to 2 years?
No surgery. I have hypertension.
Hypertension.
I am taking maintenance.
What drug are you taking?
Aspirin.
So, do you have any allergies in any kind of food, anything?
No, but I'm lactose intolerant.
How about your family? Any family members who are undergoing any treatment right now because of
No.
NBC? Are you drinking, smoking any kind of issue vices?
No. None.
Are you a student?
Yes.
So I'm gonna do some testing in your body right now. Okay. Cut.